Hi, my name is JMAC. I'm with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another rebuild completion video. Today's date is November the 4th of 2025, and today's engine is another MG Midget or Triumph Spitfire 1500. Number is FP69953UCE. And this particular engine, it belongs to Jim, and he sent it to me. It was in pieces, and I've worked on it over the last several months. He was not pushed for it, and so I took a little longer than usual, needing to do some other things. But we have it all together, and I wanted to let him hear it run, and it really turned out well. We got it's what I would consider a performance engine. It's got good compression and flat top pistons, and has a better than normal cam. It has a 270 lift on it, and it has double springs and a double timing chain, and it. So I went through it, and we turned the crankshaft and freshened up the bearings and freshened up the bores and put new pistons in it, and so it's completely gone through now, and it runs very well. And so I wanted to hear it run. The compression numbers were very good. They are number one is 211, number two is 206. Number 3 is 207, and number 4 is 208. Very good numbers. The oil pressure is 75 to 80 on cold startup, and it maintains good oil pressure, and it's been balanced and everything. So I believe that Jim, you're going to be very happy with it. All right, I want to run it for you. And so you can hear the fan and the fuel pump. Okay, so there you have it, and I'll send you some more information on it, Jim, and an invoice, and we'll get it all ready to send off to you. And so I hope you have as much enjoyment out of it as I've had rebuilding it. Thanks for watching. Bye.